From the heart of exploding stars to the intricate dance of DNA, the universe unfolds with breathtaking grandeur. And within this cosmic tapestry, life emerges as a beacon of wonder, a testament to the power of change over unimaginable eons. The story of evolution is a journey of epic proportions, a saga that stretches back billions of years to the very dawn of our planet. Imagine a time when Earth was a cauldron of molten rock and noxious gases, a hostile environment where life seemed impossible. Yet, against all odds, in the primordial soup of the early oceans, a miracle occurred. The first single-celled organisms, simple yet profound, flickered into existence. These humble microbes, our ancient ancestors, embarked on a journey that would ultimately give rise to the incredible diversity of life we see today. The story of evolution is a testament to the relentless creativity of nature, a process of constant adaptation and change. It's a story written in the very fabric of our being, a story that connects us to every living creature on this planet. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, we are all part of an unbroken chain of life, linked by the incredible power of evolution. The early Earth was a far cry from the vibrant planet we know today. Volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere. Lightning crackled across the sky and the sun beat down with relentless intensity. Yet, in this chaotic and seemingly inhospitable environment, life found a foothold. Scientists believe that life arose in the primordial soup, a warm, nutrient-rich ocean that covered much of the early Earth. Here, simple organic molecules, the building blocks of life, assembled themselves spontaneously. These molecules, energized by lightning strikes or ultraviolet radiation from the sun, began to interact and form more complex structures. Over millions of years, these structures became increasingly complex and organized. Eventually, they formed the first self-replicating molecules, the precursors to DNA and RNA. These molecules, capable of copying themselves, were the seeds of life. They marked a turning point in the history of our planet, the moment when non-living matter crossed the threshold into the realm of the living. The exact details of how life arose from non-living matter remain a mystery, one of the greatest scientific puzzles of our time. But one thing is certain, the emergence of life was a pivotal event, a testament to the extraordinary power of natural processes. Imagine a population of beetles, some green, some brown. A new predator arrives, a bird with a preference for green beetles. What happens? The green beetles are quickly picked off, leaving the brown beetles to reproduce and pass on their genes. This, in a nutshell, is natural selection, the driving force of evolution. Coined by Charles Darwin, natural selection describes the process by which organisms best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. It's not about being the strongest or the fastest, but about being the best adapted to the challenges of a particular environment. Consider the giraffe's long neck, perfectly evolved to reach high leaves, or the camouflage of a chameleon, blending seamlessly into its surroundings. These adaptations, honed over countless generations, are testaments to the power of natural selection. Over time, natural selection can lead to the evolution of new species. As populations adapt to different environments or ways of life, they can diverge genetically, eventually becoming so different that they can no longer interbreed. This process, the birth of new species, is the engine of biodiversity, the incredible variety of life that graces our planet. In the annals of science, few figures loom as large as Charles Darwin. His groundbreaking work on the origin of species, published in 1859, sent shockwaves through the world, forever altering our understanding of life on Earth. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection was nothing short of revolutionary. It challenged the prevailing view that species were fixed and unchanging, replacing it with a vision of life as a dynamic and ever-evolving process. Darwin's journey of discovery began aboard the HMS Beagle, a ship that took him on a 5-year voyage around the world. He was struck by the diversity of life he encountered, from the finches of the Galapagos Islands to the sloths of South America. These observations, combined with years of meticulous study, led him to formulate his theory of evolution. Darwin's work sparked controversy and debate, but his ideas ultimately prevailed. Today, evolution by natural selection is considered the cornerstone of modern biology, a unifying principle that explains the diversity and interconnectedness of all living things. Unlocking the code, genetics, and the blueprint of life. Darwin's theory of evolution provided a framework for understanding how life changes over time, but the mechanisms by which these changes were passed down through generations remained a mystery. The answer, as we now know, lies in the intricate world of genetics. In the mid-19th century, An Augustinian friar named Gregor Mendel conducted groundbreaking experiments with pea plants, uncovering the basic principles of inheritance. Mendel's work, largely ignored during his lifetime, laid the foundation for the field of genetics. Today, we know that DNA, the molecule of heredity, carries the genetic instructions for building and maintaining an organism. Genes, segments of DNA, code for specific traits, from eye color to disease susceptibility. These genes are passed down from parents to offspring, ensuring the continuity of life. Mutations, random changes in DNA sequence, can introduce new variations into a population. Most mutations are neutral or harmful, but occasionally, a mutation arises that provides a survival advantage. These beneficial mutations, acted upon by natural selection, can spread through a population, leading to evolutionary change. Evolutionary Evangelists, champions of Darwin's theory. Darwin's theory of evolution, while groundbreaking, did not gain widespread acceptance overnight. It faced opposition from religious leaders and scientists alike. However, a cadre of brilliant and passionate individuals emerged to champion Darwin's ideas and advance the field of evolutionary biology. Thomas Henry Huxley, known as Darwin's bulldog, was a fierce defender of evolution. His public debates and writings helped popularize Darwin's work and counter the arguments of its critics. Alfred Russel Wallace, a naturalist who independently conceived of natural selection, shared Darwin's passion for understanding the diversity of life. His work on biogeography, the study of the distribution of species, provided further evidence for evolution. Julian Huxley, grandson of Thomas Henry Huxley, was a leading evolutionary biologist of the 20th century. He coined the term modern synthesis, which integrated Darwinian evolution with Mendelian genetics, providing a more comprehensive understanding of evolutionary processes. These individuals, along with countless others, played a pivotal role in establishing evolution as a cornerstone of modern biology. Their work continues to inspire and inform our understanding of the natural world. Technological leaps. Decoding the past, shaping the future. The study of evolution has been revolutionized by technological advances, allowing us to peer into the distant past and unlock the secrets of life on Earth. From powerful microscopes to sophisticated DNA sequencing technologies, these tools have transformed our understanding of evolutionary history. Fossil discoveries, once limited to chance finds, are now guided by sophisticated imaging techniques that allow us to visualize fossils buried deep within rock formations. These fossils provide snapshots of ancient ecosystems, revealing the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. DNA sequencing technologies, once laborious and time-consuming, can now decode entire genomes in a matter of hours. By comparing the genomes of different species, we can trace their evolutionary relationships and construct family trees that span millions of years. These technological leaps have allowed us to address questions that were once considered unanswerable. We can now trace the origins of specific genes and traits, unravel the mysteries of human evolution, and even predict how species might adapt to future environmental challenges. The future of evolutionary biology is bright, driven by technological innovation and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to explore the vast tapestry of life, we can be sure that evolution will continue to surprise and amaze us. The ongoing saga. Evolution in action. Evolution is not a process relegated to the distant past. It's happening all around us, all the time. From the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria to the changing migration patterns of birds, life on Earth is in a constant state of flux. Consider the peppered moth, a classic example of evolution in action. During the Industrial Revolution in England, soot from factories darkened the tree trunks where the moths rested. The light-colored moths, once well camouflaged, became easy prey for birds. The darker moths, better hidden against the sooty background, thrived and reproduced. This example illustrates the power of natural selection to drive rapid evolutionary change in response to environmental pressures. As humans continue to alter the planet, we are inadvertently driving evolutionary change in countless species. The emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria is a stark reminder of the ongoing power of evolution. Overuse and misuse of antibiotics have created selective pressures that favor the survival of resistant strains. This poses a serious threat to human health, highlighting the importance of understanding and respecting evolutionary processes. Our place in the tapestry. Humans as part of nature's grand design. As we delve into the intricacies of evolution, it's easy to marvel at the diversity of life, and forget that we, too, are products of this incredible process. Humans, far from being above or separate from nature, are deeply embedded in the web of life. Our evolutionary journey is etched in our DNA, a story written in billions of letters of genetic code. We share a common ancestor with all living things, from the humblest bacteria to the mightiest redwood. Understanding our evolutionary history provides a sense of perspective and humility. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a grand experiment in life that has been unfolding for billions of years. Our evolutionary journey is far from over. As we face new challenges, from climate change to emerging diseases, our ability to adapt and evolve will be crucial to our survival. By embracing our place in the tapestry of life, we can work towards a future where humans and nature thrive in harmony. A never-ending quest, the future of evolutionary exploration. The study of evolution is a journey without end, a quest to unravel the mysteries of life on Earth. As we delve deeper into the intricate mechanisms of evolution, we uncover new questions and challenges, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. New technologies continue to revolutionize the field, allowing us to explore the past with unprecedented detail and predict the future with increasing accuracy. We are entering an era of genomics, where the secrets of life are being unlocked at an astonishing pace. The study of evolution is not merely an academic pursuit. It has profound implications for medicine, agriculture, conservation, and our understanding of ourselves. By unlocking the secrets of evolution, we can develop new strategies to combat disease, feed a growing population, protect biodiversity, and ensure a sustainable future for all. The journey of evolution, from the first spark of life to the emergence of human consciousness, is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. As we continue to explore this grand narrative, we can be sure that the story of evolution will continue to inspire and amaze us for generations to come.